Hey guys, it's Traumatized. Welcome back to my channel. We are jumping right into this video. No long intro. To prime my lids, I'm going in with this concealer from Milani Cosmetics. Today I'll be using a range of eyeshadows from Juvias Place. Yes, I know these are mostly the older edition palettes, but I still have them and they're still good and I spent my money, so I'm going to use them. Okay, so from the Masquerade palette, I'm going in with this beautiful pink shade as my transition shade. If you watch my videos, you know I am blessed with hooded eyes, so I tend to go a little higher with my transition shades, so there's more space on the lid to create a cut crease. The second shade that I will be using is called Zulu from the Masquerade palette. Again, I will be using this shade to intensify that pink, and then go in with the first color just to blend out the edges. To darken the crease color, I'll be going in with this shade called Kenya from the Nubian 2 palette. Then you will see me blend out the edges with the second shade and then go in with the first shade again just to blend everything seamlessly together. Now with the same concealer I used to prime my eyes, I'm going ahead to outline my cut crease. I do this just to get the shape of the cut crease so I can see how high that I would have to go. Now I do have a tutorial on how to achieve cut crease on hooded eyes, so you can just click the link above the screen. I will also list it in the description box, guys, so you can have a look at that one. And while you are at it, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and show your support. I so enjoy making these videos for you guys, honestly.
S.koolbeatz on the beat.
You see me go back in with that brown shade called Kenya to blend out the edges before I go ahead and apply the lid color. For this, I'm using the rose gold and the pink from the Zulu palette. I'm going in with that rose gold on the first half of the cut crease and just using the pink to blend out the edges. And I'll be going in with that Kenya shade just to blend everything nicely into place. For my liner, I will be using the G2 Professional Gel Liner in the shade Black. I'm creating somewhat of a midway liner, blending the edge of that liner into the end of the cut crease. Going in with mascara on my non-existent lashes, guys, and then I'll be topping that up with some cute, beautiful falsies. I went in to prime my face with this mattifying primer from Blackup Cosmetics, and I actually went in with too much product. I'm like, where am I going? I wasn't going anywhere. This is strictly for the gram. Like, you ain't going nowhere, sis. Where are you going? Now, I know that my foundation is a little lighter than my skin tone. Okay, I know better. The beauty supply stores are actually closed where I'm from because of COVID-19. So don't come from me in the comment section. I know this. Okay, I'm gonna get it together at the end of the video. Now you see me contouring and highlighting my face using both concealers from Nicka and Juvias Place. I'm going to be listing every single product in the description box, guys, so you can definitely check down there. They're also going to be attached to some affiliate links, so if you guys do decide to purchase through my link and support me, I would appreciate it so much.
S.kool on the beat. S.kool on the beat.
To set my highlight, lately I've been using this new setting powder from Kiss Professional. I just find that it gives me that airbrushed look. It's very fine, so you don't need to go in with too much. A little goes a very long way. To set the rest of my face, I'm going in with this Milani powder in the shade Warm. As you can see, I'm almost hitting pan and I need to get a new one. When I say I would be getting my money's worth from this Juvias Place palette, y'all thought I was kidding. I'm using this shade as a bronzer for my face. I was just taken aback by it, like, wow, this is actually perfect. So if you are of my skin tone, I would recommend this 100%. To give my eyes that extra pop, I'm going in with this NYX white liner on my bottom lids. To bring this look together, you will see me go back in with that shade Kenya, just to tie everything together on the eyes. Again, I'm going into the Nubian 2 palette to use the shade Jezebel as a blush. I'm using my favorite facial spray from Badescu to remove any ashiness from the powders on my face. Then I'm using the Colourpop and Shayla collab highlight in the shade Poise to get that beautiful bronzy glow.
S.kool on the beat.
So concerning the lippy, guys, my battery actually died when I was filming, so I didn't get time to record this lippy, but I went ahead and changed it up because I didn't really like it with the look. So I will definitely be listing exactly what I used to create this lippy. So guys, there we have it. We have reached the end of the video. Please let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one and have a blessed day.